Hello guys, Swagagen here, and I went to a train show with my dad, and I got a few things from there, so let's just go on to what I got. First of all, I got a Trackmaster Kelly. Now, I do own the only members of the pack that I own at the moment, which are Byron, Buster, Nelson, and Isabella. I got Kelly because I'm trying to complete the pack at the moment. And in case you want Kelly did cost me about $5. And fortunately, Kelly has some damage to his arm. Hopefully, I could fix that before I put him in my series. So, yep. Next I got a couple wooden Thomas items, which are Caldi and an Emily Tender. Caldi, well, whenever I go to train show or flea market, I tend to pick up a Caldi. So, whenever you see, like, in the video title saying flea market or train show, always suspect a Caldi. And an Emily Tender, which I got for a custom. Next are a couple of Hornby products that I found. A United Dairies tanker and a pork with sausages. Now, I love Hornby's products. Well, I more prefer British stock over American, and just when I saw these, mainly because I kind of wanted the tanker mainly for a custom that I was making, and the reason I got the sausage van mainly, I didn't want to turn down a Hornby item, so yeah, but these two cost me about $10 each. The last and final find, which is this diesel here. Now, this diesel looks, I already own a diesel similar to it, which is in the Burlington Northern color, and I got this mainly because I will be trying to convert this into raw. Well, I just have to modify the body a little, do some modifications to the cab, and give it a buffer beam. We'll give it buffer beams and add a face. So, yeah, that's all I got from the train show. Let me just get all the products into one good shot. So, yeah, this is Swagagen signing off.